Well, hello there everyone, and happy Thanksgiving. I'm going to be doing something a little bit special today in honor of Thanksgiving. I'm going to be making a Thanksgiving leftover casserole. Now, I'm sure that some of you may have some leftover turkey and maybe even some leftover stuffing in your refrigerator. And if you do, I'm going to show you how you can make a delicious casserole. I'm always looking for ways to use up some of those leftovers, and this one is perfect. It's delicious, it's easy. Yeah, it is great. So let me show you just how to make it. Okay guys, so I have literally just pulled the leftovers right out of my fridge. I have some leftover turkey, some leftover stuffing, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and a stick of butter. This is so easy. And the thing that's great about this casserole is if you have a lot of turkey and a lot of stuffing, you can just increase the soup, because basically all we're going to do is combine the turkey and the soup together, put it into a baking dish, crumble the stuffing over top, and then pour some butter over it and then pop it in the oven. That's all there is to it, but let me show you. So I'm just going to put my soup into my turkey. I'm just going to mix this up. Okay, so you will want to find a baking dish depending on the amount of turkey mixture that you have. I have a smaller baking dish because I don't really have a whole lot here. But if you are making a lot, then get a big 9 by 13. But I don't have a whole lot. I'm just going to put this turkey mixture into my baking dish. So I'm just going to spread this out. And then I'm just going to crumble this stuffing right on top of my turkey and soup mixture. All right, so I'm going to cut my butter in half. I'm not going to use the whole stick of butter. I'm going to use a half of a stick of butter, but I'm going to pop this in the microwave and melt my butter and then pour it over top of the casserole. And then I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil and bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's nice and hot and bubbly. Okay, Thanksgiving leftover casserole. Look at it. Yum. So I know that this is nothing fancy, but it is still delicious. And it is a perfect way to use up some of those leftovers. Yeah. Delish. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you soon with more recipes.